Hey everyone, welcome back to Sarah's Bites. Today's short video is on how to make these delicious nut and date energy bars. So I had these throughout my entire pregnancy, especially in the third trimester, and then about 6 to 7 months after baby as well. You can do your own research on why Medjool dates are so good for pregnancy and postpartum. I mean, they have so many nutrients in them. They are full of iron, folate, which is really important. They help with your bowel movements. They have a lot of fiber in them, and they're sweet. So especially when you're craving the sweets in third trimester, these help a ton. And then we're gonna add other things in here like nuts and flax seeds. So it's gonna be a super nutritious energy bar that you can have during pregnancy and as well as after you give birth. So easy recipe, let's get started. We'll start off by grabbing 12 organic dates, and I get the pitted kind, but if they do come with the pits inside them, they are super easy to remove. So I just put them in my Ninja chopper and chop these up roughly. They will get a little bit sticky if you pulse for too long. So you can use a blender as well, or a food processor, really whatever you have on hand. We just don't want to use the whole dates. So then I just took these out of my Ninja chopper, put them in a bowl that we're gonna mix in later. And then I added in about 3/4 cup of toasted pecans. I always toast pretty much any raw nuts that I buy, just because I love the smell and the flavor. But you can also throw in raw pecans in here or any other type of nuts that you like, because remember, we are gonna put this in the oven. We'll also add in 1/2 cup of old-fashioned oats, 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, about 1/4 teaspoon of salt because those dates are super sweet naturally, and then we'll also add in about 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed. And just get your chopper, put the lid on top, or like I said, use a blender or whatever you like, and you're gonna pulse this for a few seconds. We're going to mix this in with the dates, and then we're going to shape our energy bars. So mixing it does get a little bit sticky. It's kind of hard to do with the spatula or a spoon. So I say just use your hands and get in there, because it'll be a lot easier to form these energy bars if you use your hands. And of course, you can shape these however you want. Instead of making energy bars, you can do energy balls. Those are a little bit easier. You can use a cookie scoop for that, whatever you prefer, or your hands. I do the energy bars because just 1 bar is a perfect serving size for me. And also I find that they're easier to freeze when they are long rectangles, because I put them either in between parchment paper or a paper towel and tightly put them in a Ziploc bag in the freezer. So you're gonna bake this at 375 degrees for 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. You don't have to bake them long. We just need them to come together as an actual energy bar so it doesn't fall apart. And once they're done, just let them cool off and enjoy these, you guys. I really hope these help you with your postpartum and your pregnancy journey. Good luck to you guys and your little ones. These were a big energy lifter for me, and I honestly really do think that they helped my cervix come along when I was pregnant in third trimester. So like I said, you can do your own research on Medjool dates and how beneficial they are for you. So please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. Give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next week with another recipe. Bye.